So guys, I'm here to show you how to make interest on your mobile money. So let's move on. Let's proceed with it. I'm not gonna waste my time here. I'm just going to show you straightforward. So you open your phone app and you dial 170 star 170 as then you go. When the options come like transfer, money, Momo, pay bills, airtime and bundles, allow cash out, financial services, my wallet, Momo. So here you will choose the financial service. That is where we get a savings. So here we have savings. That is number 2. Yeah. Then you choose. Then you send. Here we are going to register for savings account. And we have Yello Save. That is where we are going to get the interest from. So we register. And here you register. You press 1 to register the Yello Save account. Here, what they say is yellow to view terms and conditions. So here the terms and conditions, you can read it afterwards. So here you press 2. I have read it. Proceed to register. Then we move on. The full terms and conditions available here. So after registering, you can go here and read it very well to understand how you will get your interest on your savings account. Open. It is powered by Fidelity Bank as well. Here you choose one to proceed and move on. Here you set your 4 pin like Momo pin, but you can choose to make it your Momo pin or other number. So here I'll choose different pin and then I send. See, they'll tell me to re-enter my 9 digits number to confirm the pin. They are daily the same. They say please wait for prompt to authorize initial deposit. So the initial deposit is 2 cedis, which will be debited from your Momo account. So it will be transferred or deposited into your savings account, which one monthly. That's the initial one, 2 Ghana cedis. So afterwards you can deposit any amount, or you can create a plan for that when every week you can let it like automated, so that every week an amount will be deducted from your Momo account into your savings account. So for full months without withdrawing any amount, and the money is less than 1,000 cedis, you get 5% interest every month. When it is higher than 1,000 Ghana cedis, like 1,000 to 500, 1,000 to 5,000, sorry, that one you get 7% interest on the amount deposited in your savings account. Then when it is 5,000 plus, like 5,001 and above, you also get 8% per month. So I find this interesting. So it will help you gain some interest, and your amount can add value. So you don't just put your money in your Momo account without yielding any money for you. So this way can also help you. I think it's very good for Fidelity Bank to introduce this. It will increase your Momo money deposited in your Momo account. And when this one is very good, because at the end of the month you earn something from it, and when you put it inside your Momo account just like that, there will be no interest, nothing. So here you see that the thing has delayed. So let me go and approve the initial deposit. You see that it has come this when you enter, they will tell you that it has failed. So here you cancel, then you enter again. You go to my wallet to approve the transaction. So you enter your Momo pin, then here the initial deposits, you click on 1, then here to 1, then see that the initial deposit has been approved. This means that your savings account, Yello savings account, has been registered and it is in session now. Let's go and check it here. Okay, you see it has come this way. So we go to financial account, you see that the confirmation message has come here. We press on 5, then go to savings, press on 2, then press on 1, Yello Save. So here I want to explain after registering. After you have registered, you can set a planning method, like how you want to save every week or monthly or daily. So here you dial star 170 hash. After you have registered, then you press 5, so you go to savings here. You go to Yello Save. After that, see that this will be the service after you have registered. Yeah. Then we go to savings plan. That is number 4. And you send. Here I have already set a saving plan. So you see, I can update the saving plan or cancel the saving plan. So here you go to update saving plan. That is 1. See that current saving plan is 10 cedi manually. That is what I have said. So if I want to update this, I will press 1. Then you see daily. How often do you want to save? So I can say daily, weekly, or so here I can make it weekly too. Then any of your choice, then go. But here I will choose to. Then how much do I want to see? Now I will say 5 cedis. So every week 5 cedis will be debited from my Momo account to my savings account, which is powered by Fidelity Bank. Here I will confirm and continue. Here you are good to go. You enter your Yello Save pin. See the service is currently unavailable, but after some time when I try, it will be good. You know, MTN network sometimes network is bad here, but it still works perfectly. You get your interest. Let me show you something here, how the saving plan is. I'm going to show you about the terms and conditions, how the plan has been designed. Yello Save terms and conditions. So this is how it is. The interest, the interest is like a constitution for that guys everything about it saving. Another interest, our main interest is in the interest, that is the more interest. Also, you shall be entitled to a monthly interest payment which is dependent on your Yello Save account average balance set out in the table. So here you see band 1, the balance range. When you up 1 cedi up to 1,000 Ghana cedis, interest rate is 5% every month. So band 2 says that 1,001 to 5,000 is 7%. That also good. Then band 3 above 5,000. So imagine you have 5,000 in Momo Pay without doing anything to it. It will be there, it will be just 5,000. But when you create this savings account and you deposit it inside, every month you get 8%. Isn't that beautiful and wonderful and interesting? Try it and it will help you. Thank you very much for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all, guys. Thank you. And please share, subscribe and like this video. Share for all your friends to get to know about this. Thank you very much. I really appreciate everyone. Be part of this family and engage with me. Comment and you find this interesting or very informative to you. Thank you. Peace out.